Ready? Good. A little bit. Good. All right. Weight distribution is not bad. Pelvis is a little bit to the right. And your upper body's coming back left. Okay, come on out. Slide down towards me just a little bit. Lift your right leg straight up and down, and the left, and down. Yeah, we need to take some x-rays. Come on up. Slide down. Lay on your back. Good. And much better. Balanced. All right. So now we'll do just a little tension release. And lift your head up and back down. And a little tug. And face down. Lift your right leg straight up. And down, and the left, and down. One easier than the other?
Yeah, the left.
The left was easier?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you feel the resistance or the tension when you lifted the right?
Over here.
So you felt it up here when you did the right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go on your side, facing me. Come here. Right here. Have you ever had an adjustment like this?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so there might be some popping or cracking. I'm just gonna mobilize that kind of lower SI joint. Ready? Good, a little bit. Good, and face down. Doing all right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Lift your right. Good, and the left. How did that feel? Any different, same, worse?
It felt great. There was no pain.
No tension?
Yeah.
Was the left still easier?
They were the same.
Same?
It was, yeah.
Perfect. That's what we want. Okay. All right. Let's just check your stand real quick. Sometimes that takes a while to clear, but. Okay, step out and step back on for me. Come on now. Okay. And then you're gonna come up and you're gonna lay on your right side. So head, you're in the hole, your alignment and misalignment has changed a little bit, and this happens. So here we go. We got patient, when they started, right laterality, so we were pushing on the right side of their neck. And then after 3 adjustments, and we usually do 1 to 4, we re-x-ray, and boom. Their posture was a little different. Their leg length had changed. Their short leg actually changed, and now they're out on the left side. That's why re-x-rays are so important. If you don't do it, you aren't gonna know that this changed, and you're gonna keep adjusting on the wrong side, and then we could potentially make the misalignment worse. So if you're doing any kind of corrective care, upper cervical care, re-x-rays are absolutely crucial, and we usually do several sets over the first 12 weeks.